Alright, so on to quadratic formula, which should be on the top right entry in your foldable. So this is the example I'm going to work through using quadratic formula, and you'll have a separate one to complete. So on the flap, underneath the flap for your steps, first step is write the equation, kind of the same as factoring. You want to get one side of the equation equal to 0. So I'm going to move 10x and 8 over. You may notice this is the exact same problem that we just did, but I'm just showing you that I can solve it using a different method. So write the equation so that one side of the equation, the equal sign, one side of the equation equals to 0. Okay, first up, now starting my quadratic formulas, I want to figure out what A, B, and C are. Now you might not have to do this formally, you might just kind of keep track in your mind, because now we're going to plug those values into the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula says x equals negative, plug in my B value, plus or minus the square root, plug in my B value, minus 4, my A value, and my C value, all divided by 2 times my A value. So step 3, plug in your values, and step 4, simplify using order of operations. Order of operations would tell us to start inside the square root. So 10 squared is 100, and 12 times, negative 12 times negative 8 would be positive 96. All divided by 2 times 3 is 6. So that's negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 196 over 6. And square root of 196 can be taken. This is 14. So I can now get my two answers. I'm going to add to get one of them, and I'm going to subtract to get the other. So that gives me 4 over 6, which is 2/3. And that gives me negative 24 over 6, which is negative 4, which I believe, check back, go back to the other video where the answers I got there as well. So this is the one I'm showing you, reminding you how to do quadratic formula. Now here's the one that you're going to practice on.